Good day, viewers. It's time for another session of What's in the Box. Y'all come on over and we'll see what we can come up with here today. A couple items I've got. When I was going through that box, I found a lot of electronic items upstairs that I was scared might have batteries in it. And this is one. It is a transistor radio. So I've brung it down here. What else did I find in that box? It's got a 9-volt battery attached to it on the outside. It's a weather radio. I know that 9-volt battery will have to be replaced. What else was electronic in here? That feels like it's got batteries on it too. It's a tape recorder. Now that is about a useless something. I bet you couldn't even buy tapes for it now. Well, there's a tape in it. But I need to make sure there's no batteries in that and put it away so I can deal with that. Oh, we're about to clean my box out. Here's a little dollar store tripod that I bought probably 20 years ago. Probably paid 99 cents for it, but that might hold my GoPro up. Something else to hang on the nail. Okay, that looks electronic, but I think it's all right. So let's take a look at these things here. I'll come get my battery. Go upstairs and see if I got some 9-volt batteries for this transistor radio. I'll bet you that's what it is. All right. I just got called to the dinner table, so we'll continue this later with I'll bring my batteries when I come down. Good morning, viewers. We're tinkering in the shop today, and I thought we'd solve that age-old dilemma, that mysterious question: will hot glue stick to concrete? That wall is 8 inches of solid concrete, and I don't feel like drilling a hole. Might be what we wind up having to do. I'm going to move my clock over here. Hang there right about there. Thought about it, how to best hang it. I got this piece of wood here. Let's drill a hole in it. Put a screw in it and see if we can glue it to the wall. We got time on our hands. I got a sneaking hunch hot glue won't stick to concrete worth a darn. This little piece of wood I had left over when I was making pieces for my teleprompter. Don't want to drill my finger. Let's put it in the vise. Use our hat for something besides a hat rack. picked a screw that would fit in the back of that clock. We'll go ahead and make this first and see will it stick. Yeah, it's just tinkering today, not a whole, thought I had the hole too big, but that'll be fine. That clock don't weigh that much. Screw is a little bit too long, so I'm going to have to trim it off. Oh, that looks like a lovely bunch of coconuts. Let's cut that screw off. Put some hot glue on there and do our thing. What would be the easiest way to cut it off? Drag out the angle grinder. I got a hacksaw hanging here somewhere. All right, viewers, this will be take 2. Sounds like the blade either wore out or backwards. No, it's in there right. Must be a hard screw. Ooh. Better make that take 3. Here we go. Folks, I haven't put a dent in that darn thing. My friends, nothing is ever as simple as it seems. Now, normally screws are made out of fairly soft metal, but my hacksaw would not touch that screw. Either it's a dull hacksaw or a hard screw. We're going to use this. Might help to turn it on. By George, that made short work of it. Now, if I don't find that little piece of metal, I'm going to wind up stepping on it. All right, viewers. It's worth noting that no project is ever as simple as it may appear from the get-go. We're ready to try our hot glue test. Well, almost. We gotta plug it in. Okay, viewers, the glue is warm. Let's put a little bit on the wall. A little bit on here. Good Lord, I'm out of glue. Not a good time to run out of glue. Maybe that'll be enough. Calm clumsy goof. Push it on there and hold it tight. Well, now they're looking at glue strung everywhere. I should have checked that glue before I started. Still some in there, but the pusher is flat run out of. Over that, there ain't nothing in there. I was lucky to get that glue job done. Okay, the question now is, do I just hang the clock or do I pull down on it to see if it held? We can pull down on it a little bit. I'm not going to pull it that hard. My mama didn't raise no dummies. Turned out a little more difficult to hang to fit on that little screw than I thought. But by George, it's hanging on the wall. You know what? We had a spring forward and fall back recently. It ain't 2:30, it's gotta be 3:30. I have to get my cell phone down here and check it. That might not even be right. I need to set it. Well, let's just go around about an hour, whatever that was. I'll reset it next time I come down here. All right, it's getting about time to do a what's in the box.